How many legs does it have? It has 8 legs. Is it dangerous? Yes, it is. I guess it is a spider. Is it big? Yes, it is. Where does it live? It lives in water. Is it big? Yes, it is. Can it swim? Yes, it can. Where does it live? It lives in water. What color is it? It is grey. I guess it is a shark. How many legs does it have? It has no legs. I guess it is a snail. Is it dangerous? No, it isn't. What kind of animal is it? It is a kind of bird. Can it fly? No, it can't. Is it fat? No, it isn't. Is it small? No, it isn't. Do people look after it? Yes, people look after it. Does it have wings? Yes, it does. I guess it's a chicken. Does it have a tail? No, it doesn't. I guess it is a bat. How many legs does it have? It has 4 legs. Does it have a tail? No, it doesn't. How many legs does it have? It has 4 legs. Does it have fur? No, it doesn't. What kind of animal is it? It is a kind of amphibian. What color is it? It is green. I guess it's a frog. How many legs does it have? It has 2 legs. Where does it live? It lives in the wild. Does it have fur? No, it doesn't. I guess it is a dragon. Is it big? No, it isn't. What kind is it? It is a kind of mammal.